Raise your vibration. The Sufi Path to Manifesting Positive Energy. Assalamu alaikum, and welcome to Sufi Essence with Hammad Syed. We often hear about raising our vibration or manifesting positive energy, especially in today's spiritual conversations. But what does this truly mean, beyond fleeting trends? And how can ancient wisdom guide us in cultivating a powerful positive frequency that transforms our lives and attracts goodness? Today we delve into Raise Your Vibration, the Sufi Path to Manifesting Positive Energy. We'll explore how Sufism offers profound, practical ways to connect with your heart, elevate your spiritual energy, and manifest positive frequencies that resonate with divine blessings. Prepare to unlock a higher state of being. Part 1. Understanding Vibration and Energy from a Sufi View. The concept of vibration in Sufism isn't about New Age trends. It's deeply rooted in the understanding of existence itself. Everything is energy. From a Sufi perspective, everything in creation, from the atoms to the celestial bodies, is a manifestation of divine energy. The universe is a symphony of frequencies, all emanating from al-Haqq, the truth, God. The heart as a receiver and transmitter. Your heart Qalb is not just a physical organ. It's your spiritual center, a direct conduit to the divine. It's designed to receive divine light and transmit its own frequency outward. Lower versus higher vibrations. Lower vibrations are associated with negative emotions: fear, anger, resentment, envy, attachment to the fleeting world, dunya, and heedlessness. Ghafla. These create spiritual heaviness and block flow. Higher vibrations are associated with positive spiritual states: love, peace, gratitude, compassion, contentment, kanana, humility, and constant remembrance of Dhikr. These states bring spiritual lightness and attract positive outcomes. The law of attraction, spiritual context. The Sufi understands that like attracts like. But this isn't merely a mental exercise. It's a spiritual principle. A heart vibrating with divine love and gratitude attracts blessings. A heart consumed by fear attracts hardship. Part 2. The Heart Connection. Your key to higher frequencies. The journey to raising your vibration begins and ends with your heart Qalb. The Prophet's, peace be upon him, emphasis. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, "Indeed, there is a piece of flesh in the body. If it is sound, the whole body is sound. And if it is corrupt, the whole body is corrupt. Indeed, it is the heart." This highlights the heart's centrality. Heart purification, Tazkiyat al-Nafs. The Sufi path is fundamentally about purifying the heart from negative traits like arrogance, greed, envy, and attachment to dunya. These impurities lower your vibration, dimming the heart's light. Tazkiyat al-Nafs cleanses the mirror of the heart, allowing it to reflect divine attributes more clearly. Awakening the spiritual senses. As the heart purifies, its spiritual senses awaken. You begin to feel the presence of Allah more intimately, perceive divine signs in creation, and receive subtle guidance. This enhances your sensitivity to higher frequencies, connecting through love, Muraqaba. The highest frequency is that of divine love. When your heart is filled with love for Allah and extends that love to creation, your entire being vibrates at an elevated level. Part 3. Sufi Practices to Elevate Your Spiritual Energy. Sufism offers potent practices to consciously raise your vibration and connect with positive frequencies. Dhikr, remembrance of Allah. This is the most powerful tool. Constant, conscious remembrance of Allah's names, Azma, al-Husna, elevates your frequency. Chanting Allahu, La ilaha illallah, or specific names like Ya Wadud, the loving, Ya Salam, the peace, or Ya Nur, the light, attunes your heart to these divine attributes. Each name carries a unique vibration. Muraqaba, contemplation and vigilance, sitting in stillness, observing the breath and focusing on Allah's presence. This practice quietens the mind, purifies the heart, and allows you to enter a state of deep tranquility, raising your internal frequency. Salat, prayer with presence, performing your daily prayers with Hudr al-Qalb, presence of heart. Each movement, each recitation, when done with conscious intention and humility, transforms into a profound energetic alignment with the divine. underscore gratitude. Consistently expressing sincere gratitude for all blessings, small and large. Gratitude is a powerful magnet for positivity. The more you acknowledge blessings, the more Baraka and good frequencies you attract. Service to creation. Extending compassion, kindness, and help to others. When you serve Allah's creation out of love, your heart opens and your spiritual energy expands, attracting immense positive resonance. Part 4. Manifesting positive frequencies. The outcome of high vibration. When you consistently raise your vibration through these Sufi practices, the outcome is a powerful manifestation of positive energy in your life. Inner peace and calm. The constant inner chatter and anxiety associated with lower vibrations subside. You experience a profound, unshakable peace, sakina. Clarity and intuition. A higher vibration clears the spiritual channels, enhancing your intuition and allowing you to receive clear guidance, ilham, and inspiration. You make decisions from a place of wisdom, not fear. Attracting goodness, Baraka. When your heart vibrates with positive frequencies, you naturally attract positive people, opportunities, and circumstances. Blessings, Baraka, flow into your life in unexpected ways. It's not about forcing outcomes, but about becoming a magnet for good. Resilience. Challenges don't disappear, but your capacity to navigate them with grace, patience, sabr, and trust, tawakkul, increases dramatically. You perceive difficulties as opportunities for growth, authentic living. You live in alignment with your true self and divine purpose, emanating authenticity and attracting genuine connections. You become a source of light for others. Deeper connection to Allah. Ultimately, raising your vibration means drawing closer to Allah. Your life becomes a continuous act of worship, full of gratitude and love. Conclusion. Your heart's symphony, the Sufi path to raising your vibration, is a journey of heart purification, conscious remembrance, and compassionate living. It's about attuning your innermost being to the divine frequency of love, peace, and truth that permeates all existence. By diligently practicing these spiritual tools, you transform your internal landscape, becoming a powerful beacon of positive energy, not just for yourself, but for your family, community, and the world. This profound shift from within allows you to manifest a life filled with grace and spiritual abundance, truly resonating with divine blessings. This is truly the essence of Sufi essence. Thank you for joining me on this transformative exploration. If this lecture resonated with your spirit, please like this video to help share this message. Subscribe to Sufi Essence with Hammad Syed for more profound insights, and remember to hit the notification bell. What practices help you raise your vibration and connect with positive energy? Share your wisdom in the comments below. Your experiences inspire our growing community. Until our next spiritual unveiling, may Allah elevate our hearts and fill our lives with His radiant light.